Hello, thank you. We are here today to interview the website and software development manager of the NetStore. Thank you very much for being here with me and for your time. Before I start, just to let you know that all the data collected from this interview will be kept confidential and secured, and that will be used only for the dissertation purpose. As I mentioned before, I sent you all the questions. It will be submitted to the assessment board of Grindon University London, and it won't be shared with any third-party organization or any other people. So you are okay with that?
Yes, that's all right.
Thank you very much. So if you could just introduce yourself, and then I will start with the.
Yeah, I'm Mohammed Parvez. I actually work here as a IT manager for developing the website and softwares.
Thank you very much, Mr. Parvez. My first question to you is, if you could tell me about the type of software and web, you are developing, or what sort of support you provide to your customers.
Basically, for the website, we give them like complete solution. The type of website we support is dynamic and static. For the dynamic, we actually offer like the CMS or like the full CMS concept, or like the managing the inventory for the supply, this kind of stuff.
Right, so you are providing both static and dynamic website with full content management solution.
Yes, full content management solution.
What about the other things related to website development? Do you provide them hosting or domain services?
Yes, yeah, we also provide full domain and hosting support. Like we have a dedicated server, and we actually offer our client for full domain name and fully hosting their website into our server. Recently, we are actually thinking of taking this and further steps further ahead for like a cloud computing solution.
Okay, cloud.
So that's also in our pipeline.
Okay, thank you very much. Cloud computing. Mr. Parvez, my second question is, how do you manage a complete project? Say, for example, a client has come to you. He wants you to develop a complete solution for his company, web-based solution. So how do you manage the whole process from the start of a project to the project completion? Do you develop in-house, or do you have any member in your team?
No. Firstly, when a client actually asks for us to develop a website for themselves, then I actually basically personally take the responsibility for collecting all the requirements, design and documenting for the website, how it's gonna look like, what's gonna happen, what is the technical aspect, what kind of programming language you need for this kind of website.
Right.
First, I decide this.
Okay.
All this matter. Then there is another third party. Then we have a third party supported.
You mean, do you outsource?
Yeah, we outsource this.
Okay.
This project. Then we outsource this actually the coding process. We mainly the country supporting us is from Bangladesh, and the company name is LA Technologies.
Okay.
Okay, and so when we finish the requirement and all the other aspect of the software solution, then we actually then send all the requirement to this to our outsourcing company, LA Technology. Right. We do the video conference or teleconference. Then we have this like email ongoing coming up. And that's the way you start all our.
So in my understanding, the way you manage the whole work is you get your clients from here, and you basically, being the system analyst and designer, you outline the whole project.
Yes.
And then you deliver it to your outsourcing virtual team, and then you coordinate in between these two.
Yes. So there is a couple of steps we need to take for this one. For first step is like talking with the client, take
Right.
all the requirement, and outline the whole project, how it's gonna be happen, and actually all the requirements like this design analysis and what kind of programming language we need to use for this one. Then we actually decide it from here.
Okay.
Then we actually start talking with our outsourcers, like then we propose to them as a project, like okay, you need to finish in this time.
Okay.
This
so there's a time schedule and everything.
Everything is there.
Good, thank you very much, Mr. Brown. My last question to you is, if you could tell me because as you know, I'm analyzing the current prospects and current development, what the NetStore is doing. So could you please tell me what kind of projects you are currently working on, and what's your future potential market?
At the moment, we are actually we are investing on a 3 project,
Okay.
which is and after doing a couple of survey, we find out that this is there's huge potential in this project. Number
Okay.
1 is we are thinking of making an online takeaway solution.
Online takeaway solution.
Yes,
Okay.
where you will have like the full CMS system, where the client will see the menu on their website.
Okay.
They order it.
Okay.
When they will select their product from there. In this case, it's gonna be like actually like curry on this kind of stuff.
Right.
Mostly we're targeting like Indian and Bangladeshi restaurant.
Okay.
Okay, so when you finish the order, and immediately the customer or those who are actually using this system, they will immediately get the printout either in the kitchen or on the reception.
Okay.
What the order actually and from where the order has been come from. So in this whole system, not only the client will actually just select their product. From the management side, they can upload.
Okay.
They can change their product.
Mhm.
Okay, they can do some of all kind of stuff.
So
So
this-
this is a fully solution
okay.
and mainly targeted for.
So that's your ongoing project.
Ongoing
and
project,
you
yes.
are basically planning to move into details,
Yeah.
targeting
Yes.
this huge customer base.
Yeah.
Is there any other projects, or you are
Yes.
particularly?
So this is our
focusing-
first project, and second project we already finished that one. Is for estate agents, which is nearly done. Which is actually this is mainly for those who are actually in business for what do you call these things
like the property business,
property
like
business. Yes.
the people who are advertising
Advertising.
the homes or
Yeah.
properties for sales or rent.
Yes. So in these cases, those who will buy this system, they will actually upload their properties from
Okay.
their site,
Okay.
and also the landlord or client, those who have their own property, they can also share their stuff
All right.
with this,
Okay. Okay.
with this company,
Okay.
and then the other and the customer can actually buy or rent the
Okay.
house from there.
Okay. On the other day, I was looking into some of your products through your website, and I found there is a project going on for warehouse management. Could you please tell
Yes.
me something about this?
Yes, we also successfully completed one of the really our largest project. This is to fully warehouse inventory management,
Right.
where you can actually manage all of your warehouse product. Not only that, you can actually manage with your supplier and inventory such a way like if the product goes down, it will automatically trigger
You mean the reorder level?
reorder level,
Okay,
and
okay.
it will tell you like, okay,
Is this one is aimed for the people who are doing this exporting based in UK? Is it for the?
this depends on how you want to use it.
Okay, so
Okay,
it's going to be a common
it's
platform
a
for any
common platform,
warehouse.
It's a general,
Okay.
and when you set up your system, now it's up to you how you're gonna do it. Now, when you set up the system, then if you go for for international purpose, you may need to do some tweaks.
Okay.
Okay, so but except that you can use for any kind of general.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Parvez, for your time.
Yeah.
It was a lovely time, and I've come
You're
to know
mostly
lots of
welcome.
things, and I'm going to continue further research. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.